In this video tutorial, I'll be creating GeekPay account and I'll request for dollar card on this platform. So if you want to learn more about crypto, I'm going to leave a link in the video description. I'm teaching people for free. If you want to learn more about crypto, make sure you join my Telegram group. And on this channel, I talk about crypto and P2P, how to make money with P2P. Then if this kind of topic you are looking forward to, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. On GeekPay website, you have option to download the GeekPay app on Apple Store or Play Store. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using my PC to register account with GeekPay. I'm going to press create an account. And right here, you have option to either you choose you are a freelancer or you have a business. For the sake of this purpose of this video, I'm going to create like a freelancer, because if I have to create company accounts, I will be providing a lot of information. And right here, you have foreign bank account in dollar and pound and euro account with virtual dollar card. Convert your local currency to any currency over here, this three currency, and you have to press continue. And I will input my mail. And if you want to create account right now, I'm going to leave the referral link in the video description and referral code. So make sure you use my referral code. And in this video, I will just input my mail over here and press this referral code and press next. After you press continue, then it will send you a verification code into your email account. So make sure you check this spam section and promotion, so it might not come to your normal mail. So I'm going to check my mail right now and see. Right now I've received this mail. I'm going to input this code right here that I received from this GeekPay to register my account. Then continue process. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to show my password. I will create a password right now. Then you have to press continue. After pressing continue, you see my account is successfully created. I just create this account with GeekPay, and right now I have to proceed to receive this virtual dollar card. Is now available. Your initial dollar MasterCard replacement fee will be waived if you already possess any active MasterCard. You have to press proceed and come to this. Once you come to your dashboard, you have to update your personal profile. Right here, you have to fill your first name on your document, your last name on your document as it shows on your document, and your date of birth, your nationality, and you have to verify your phone number. If you see over here, you have to input your phone number right here, then verify. You have to verify, then you will send an OTP to your account, then your street address, your country, this information, your resident address. Then you have to input your proof of address, your statement of account. Then after you upload this, then you have to save. So I'm going to do this, then I'm going to continue with this video. Once you update your personal information, you see completed, then you have to update your bank account details, the bank you want to link to this GeekPay platform. So right here, you're almost there. So you have to update this, press this, and scroll down. You have to enter you select your bank you want to link to. Be it, you select your bank. I'm going to input my account number, then my name on my bank, then BVN I think is not showing. Maybe when I input my account number, I'll be able to fill this. Then I just have to press save. So as you can see on this screen right here, you see I've successfully add my bank details to this GeekPay account. And right here, you have to verify my identity, be your government ID, voters card, your NIN, or your passport. You just have to verify over here and take selfie. So in this case, I'm doing this on my laptop. I have webcam on my laptop. If I'm unable to complete this process on my laptop, I can just switch to my phone to complete this process, but I'm going to try this out. I'm going to input, for the sake of this video, I'll use my identity card. Then I want to receive me from my Nigerian number. I'm going to scan the QR code with your camera app. So that's my phone. You see, I'm going to do this on my phone. Then I'm going to continue with this video once I have continued this verification. All right, here, as you can see, I've completed these 3 verification and my identity is awaiting review. So once I've passed this verification process, you have option to request for $MasterCard and right here. So that's what you need to be doing. After 30 minutes, when I submit to verify this account, you can see right there, this is my dashboard. There's this dollar and pound and euro and naira currency, and right here you have to come to this card, press card, then you have to create a new card. Remember, you can create a virtual, meaning that you don't need to request for physical card. Just use this virtual card online. Then remember, once you found this MasterCard, you won't be able to withdraw from this card, and you can request for MasterCard or request for Visa, and right here, then you press continue. For the sake of the video, I've already have a lot of cards online. I have Revolut, I have various European bank, so I won't be creating any card, and just make sure you just press continue. Hopefully you'll be able to create this card and enjoy this platform, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to create this card, and I will be there in the comment section to see your message. So make sure you like this video to encourage me to create more content like this, and request for this card and share the update with you, and hopefully use this card to buy something online and see how this card works. And don't forget to join my Telegram group if you want to learn more about crypto, and like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you on the next video.